Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock with backbone. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your chicken backbones and any desired vegetables, like carrots and onions, on a large baking sheet. Roast them for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until they are nicely browned. This crucial step develops a deep, rich flavor that will elevate your stock. Once roasted, transfer the backbones and vegetables to a large stock pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Now, add your aromatics such as bay leaves, peppercorns, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for at least 4 hours, or even longer for a more intense flavor. After simmering, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean pot. This ensures a clear, smooth liquid. Discard all the solids, their work is done. If you desire a more concentrated stock, return the liquid to the stove and simmer it gently over medium heat. Reduce it by 1/3 or even 1/2, depending on your preference for a richer, more intense flavor. Proper cooling and storage are essential for safety and longevity. Once strained, cool the stock rapidly by placing the pot in an ice bath or dividing it into smaller containers. Store the cooled stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and gravies. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.